Am I doing a striptease?
Show us your t-shirt, dude.
It's tasty though, isn't it?
It's like freaking Superman opening got some, what's that jizz there?
That's overspill.
Overspill?
Yeah.
Hang on. And there's a bit of a...
Yeah, it's not quite right.
Dude, that is a nice basic design there, that is.
Keeps my moobs warm.
Your what?
My moobs.
Keeps your moves?
My moobs.
Your moves?
Yeah.
Oh, man boobs.
Man boobs.
Right. Alright.
I don't need that now though.
No, but just show the camera, dude. The new t-shirts that Stu's done for you.
Oh, these ones are
I've got two identical ones at home.
So these are... This is vinyl then?
I believe so, yeah. Show us that little...
There we go, look at that. That looks cool, doesn't it, man? I like it.
Yeah. Do you like the colour, dude?
I like the colours. I like this colour.
What about what's the other one? The blue one on the inside.
Is there a blue? Oh yeah.
These are large. I've got extra large because I'm fatter than you.
Yes, of course. No, not really.
Show us the blue one.
I remember when you were...
Open it up, man. Jeez, come on.
Jeez. So that's the one on the blue. I like the blue. I like these t-shirts. Where's he got them?
Fruit of the Loom.
Very nice.
Nice, aren't they? He's got another one coming where he's got all the emojis. You know the emojis I put on when I'm answering comments?
Oh yeah.
I put like flames and spanners and skulls and smoke and
awesome, man.
whatever. Yeah.
Nice. Thank you, Stu.
Yeah, man.
I really appreciate it. It's nice.
He said, you don't owe me anything, just put them on a couple of times and mention my name.
Yeah.
So
tattoos
he's
too.
also going to make us something for the winter, so it's a bit
ooh, long sleeved.
Warmer, yeah.
Nice, because we might need it in that garage.
We might do indeed. Right, dude, where are we going now?
We're going to pick the keys up for the unit, and then we'll give you a little show, 5-minute show of what it looks like.
Yeah. And
then the next time you see us, we'll be moving stuff into it.
Okay, dude, sweet. Let's go and have a look at the estate agents to get the kiwis.
Listen to this door shut.
Yeah,
you ready?
Do it.
Oh,
jeez.
It's a solid car.
Professional.
No problem, mate.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
I hate these fucking elbows.
Cheers, dude.
Okay, guys. It's here, isn't it?
Here we are, man.
Oh, this is the canal here, dude. Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I guess the bridge we're going over the canal now. See the canal? So hopefully I'll be able to get access from my house to here on the way.
We're going to have to find a little map or something.
Yeah.
To let you know if that canal goes
outside my house.
Outside your house.
So here we are. We need to get a fob for these gates here, because these gates close apparently at night time.
See that blue big building there?
Yeah. That's not ours.
That's the other side of ours.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah. Alright.
You showing them the unit?
You got the bog roll?
Yeah, we've got the bog roll, dude. That's the unit there.
Here we are.
These two shutters and the two pedestrian doors. So it's basically the back of that big unit, and they call this workshop 2 or bay 2.
Bay 2, I think it is, isn't it? So yeah.
We've got the keys.
This is the future home of Classic Cars UK.
/ Rusty Love, isn't it?
/ Rusty Love.
Should we,
that's handy that there's an MOT bay right next door. So if we need any advice.
Light commercial and cars as well.
Yeah.
Right? And there's also a recycling joint in case we want to recycle anything.
That's good.
A brick joint. And the next door neighbours is going to be a shed maker. Or was it sheds?
Yeah, that should be alright then.
Yeah.
So if we need any wood for forming panels, we know where to go.
Yeah. Watch the mud, dude.
That should be it, dude.
Hey, gringo. So we've got a bit of parking space.
Yeah. Nice bit of parking space. So, yeah.
Got 2 bays, dude.
This is great.
Hello.
Ooh, where's the light, dude?
That's it. That's the light, man. Any more lights?
We're gonna need some more bulbs.
Jeez.
It's a bit dim.
It's rubbish, isn't it?
Is the toilet done? The toilet's done.
The toilet got lights in it.
Let's have a look. Yeah,
Bloody hell, man. What's going on with their lights, man?
it's like they've got the dimmest lights in the world.
Fucking hell, dude.
Is it flush? Excellent, because I'm gonna need to use that in a minute.
There you go, dude. There's your lure.
Yeah, I've got a dilemma on.
Yeah, there's nowhere to even put the lure on, man.
So what we're going to do about this window? You're just going to sit there and watch me have a...
That doesn't look right at all, does it?
We could put something on that. We'll put a net curtain up.
What's wrong with
There's the mezzanine. Was mezzanine?
it? Mezzanine, yeah.
Mezzanine. Somewhere
Can you open
to...
the doors, dude, to get a bit of light here. Oh, good. What's wrong with it? Why isn't there any light?
There's the unit, guys. We got an office. We can put the light on in the office. Where's the light? Is that the light? Light. Plenty of electrical points. That's good. For all different sorts of things that we might need.
This is our new unit. There's really only this working area here for car stuff. You can fit a car and work on it here, that's fine. I think the big blaster is going to go there, compressor under the stairs, so we'll have to fit wiring to that thing there. That heater is blowing air, but it's not hot. Gav's just going to bring the beetle in. We need to put a sign up there. Classic Carbs UK, Rusty Love, etc. And we need a post box somewhere. Yeah! Dude, not even the Beetle will fit. Actually, it will fit. If you bring it in to the wall, you will be able to close the shutters.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, and stop.
So the shutter will close now.
Okay,
So we can get at least the Beetle in
we
there.
can get the beetle in.
The lights in the unit are not strong enough, so we're going to need some.
What we're going to do is we're going to light this area rather than the whole unit. This is where we're going to be doing a lot of the work. This is the main area to do the work.
Yeah,
We're going to have the benches down here.
that used to be a big doorway to the bigger unit next door, but they've closed that up now for us.
This is where the
Blaster, and yeah, that's where the compressor's going to go.
compressor can go under there.
So we need a fridge. We need a
fridge,
bin.
We need a bin. We need a kettle. We need a sandwich toaster.
Toilet brush.
A toilet brush.
We need a desk for the office. And we need the internet, which is hopefully going to be connected in 2 weeks.
Yeah, a couple of weeks.
What else did we say? We need a post box.
Post box.
Yeah. And we need a sign made. The doors need to be painted because they look a bit rough.
Yeah, that door's had it at the bottom as well. We might need a new door.
Yeah. So there we go, guys. Anyway, we're in here. We're happy. We're going to get a fob for the outside gate.
I think we should go and pick up a few essentials for this room so you can have a hot drink and stuff.
We had a really nice meeting, chat. We went around the estate and we met a couple of chaps that do Peugeots, and that was really nice to get talking to them. They told us a bit about the other people that are in this. It's a pretty big estate. There's quite a lot of car businesses and fabricators and stuff like that, isn't there? There's a company called Wacky Racers.
Yeah, they make custom cars.
Yeah.
There's a lot of bodywork places, so if we need any advice, I'm sure we've already met one guy who's a really nice guy. We'll show you about him later on.
Yeah. Dude, we can cover the toilet window with one of these.
In
man.
a poster?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need a mirror, don't you, dude?
It's got
For those mornings when you might need to.
Yeah, if a girl's coming to visit us,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? We might want to look less than terrible.
Less than terrible.
So
how much is it, dude?
It's £5.49, €7.40.
And it's pre-drilled?
Yeah, it's pre-drilled, dude, and it is suitable for bathrooms. You can't have it in a living room though.
Perfect.
It breaks.
Yeah.
So tested for related performance and humidity. So you get very good performance out of this mirror.
High performance
High
mirror.
performance mirrors. That's what we do.
We like high performance.
Yeah.
Can we put a Weber on it?
Yeah.
Dude, got everything? Got a few bits or?
The most important bit, man.
There it is.
Toilet brush.
Bog brush. Need a bog brush.
Tea towels.
Yeah.
Washing up liquid.
Fairy.
3 massive mugs.
Yeah. A kettle.
A kettle. A strainer for, you know, I like my fresh coffee, don't you? And we got some washing up sponges, a mirror, and some air freshener.
And some heavy duty bin liners.
And some heavy duty.
But not a bin yet.
Not a bin.
Can you look?
Do we need anything else, dude?
I think we're alright now. I think that's it.
Okay. Dude's getting some McDonald's.
I'm not.
Oh, you're not? You're just having a cup of tea, aren't you?
I'm having a cup of tea.
I'm having a double cheeseburger deluxe. Yeah.
Quarter pounder.
Yeah, with a pint of Coke. Sweet. Alright guys, we just had a nice afternoon, evening, moving into the new unit, well, opening up the unit.
Checking it all out, huh?
Yeah, so we've just had a little bit of a bit of dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had a cup of tea.
Yeah, so we'll be getting the Transit hopefully soon. Not the old Transit, the newer Transit that Russell's welding, and move all the tools and equipment.
Yeah, we've got a few things to update you with, but
into the unit. Yeah.
In the next video.
So thanks for watching, thanks for your patience, and we'll catch you in the next video in a couple of days.
Yeah, man.
See ya.
See you in a bit.
Bye.